Boom. Hello, welcome to the video. I have to make this video in a very fine-tuned way because I have to make sure I do not get demonetized. So we are going to make a 12-inch raw out of large Rizlas. What you do with the 12-inch raw, none of my business. Don't care. I don't want you to do anything with it. It's an art project, yeah? It's an art project, okay? You've seen the 12-inch raws. They are huge. They are about the size of 12 little peepees, okay? Lined up in a row. But maybe you live in a small town, or maybe you just can't buy a 12-inch raw for whatever reason, but you really want to try one. Do not fear. Do not worry at all. We are going to make a 12-inch raw out of king-size Rizlas. A 12-inch raw is 12 inches long, yeah? 12 inches is 30.5 centimeters. And each king-size slim raw Rizla is 11 centimeters, okay? So technically, 3 of them in a row would be 33 centimeters. So a big 12-inch raw, a 12-point-something inch raw. But there's an overlap, yeah? There's an overlap on the Rizlas because we're gonna stick them together. So we're gonna lose a few centimeters. So we're gonna use 4 king-size slim raws to make a 12-inch raw, and it's actually gonna turn out to be something like a 13-inch raw, which is just bonus, really. It's just bonus. Don't complain, don't argue, don't comment, oh my god, don't be, just shut up, alright? Our 12-inch raw that we're gonna make is gonna be fucking huge, baby. It's gonna look, I'm laying the Rizlas out now on the Rizla cam, the rolling cam. It's gonna look something, imagine these Rizlas were flat, obviously. It's gonna look something like that, okay? To make the 12-inch raw, you are going to need those 8 large Rizlas there. You're also going to need an extra 3 Rizlas. Hello, I'm from the future. You need 6 spare Rizlas, not 3 spare Rizlas. You need 8 Rizlas plus 6 spare Rizlas. That's 14 Rizlas. That's half a packet. That's maybe a millionth of a tree, so please be careful with them, okay? Carry on with the video. To provide the sticky to connect these parts together, okay? The way we're going to do this is we are going to start by sticking together each of our 4 compartments that make up the 12-inch raw. And this first bit is very simple, but you have to be very precise with the sticking together of the papers. You don't want any misaligned business. Some tips is a big tip is as soon as you lick the sticky on this bottom Rizla that you're gonna stick to the back of the top Rizla, it's gonna curl a little bit because it's damp. It's gonna try and be funny with you and not play ball, and you have to make sure it does play ball, okay? Watch and learn, baby. I'm gonna do this in both cams if I can. Don't worry if you miss some of the sticky, that can be figured out. Oh, no, I bought that. Boom, we'll take that one. Okay, run your fingers along the seam. Okay. So as you can see with mine there, the right side of these two, I've not actually put some sticky down. Don't worry, you can lick the front of the top one and the moisture will seep through to the back. There we go. Okie dokie. There's your first compartment. Boom. Now obviously repeat for all the other compartments. I'll probably speed this bit up. Okay, that last one was a little bit tricky with me then, but we got it in the end. Needs a little bit of a touch up to the right there. Okay, so now we have 4 compartments there. That was actually the easy bit. Let me get a drink, bloody hell, that was difficult. So, you're gonna get your first compartment, place it on top of the second compartment. Line it up, like so. And now if you've seen my previous rolling tutorials, you will know the magic spell that is the lick and stick method, okay? So we're gonna lick the sticky on this, stick it under there, wait 2 or 3 seconds, pull it out so then the sticky is transferred, then press down, okay? We're not gonna need the whole Rizla worth, so rip off just over an inch of this. Sadly, not needed at all. Okay, so you've got this now. Watch and learn. Lick that there. That's going, okay. Stick that to the bottom of this first compartment. About 3 seconds. Pull it off. Now this first compartment's going on top of the second one. Making sure it lines up. I'm pressing it down. And I'm making sure there is 1 or 2 centimeters of spare space. And I'm pressing this down there. Now that wasn't perfect. That really wasn't perfect. But we can make up for it. I'm gonna lick the back of the second compartment where the overlap is. There. Get that stuck down, obviously. Okay, now flip this baby over, and on the back there is a little bit of a flap there. Grab your bin, the one you just used, grab the next Rizla for sticky transfer. Rip off about an inch, boom. This is harder now because you're gonna have to lick this, slot it under there, and there's less give. Sorry, I'm blocking the side. You have to lick this, slot it under there, wait 3 seconds, pull out, but there's less give because this has already been stuck down. Okay, get your saliva ready. Okay, licked, lift this up. Now this can get a little bit tricky, don't be scared to get stuck in. Okay, press it down just to make sure it's stuck. 2, 3, pull out, lol, that's what she said. Press down, nice. Okay, you've transferred some sticky and our first 2 compartments are stuck together. Now repeat the process, okay? I'm not gonna show you the rest because it's gonna be a ball ache. But repeat the process, okay? You've got 4 sticky transfers, 2 there, and then another 2 there, okay? Yeah, 2 there, 2 there, okay? I'm gonna speed this next bit up. And there we go. There it is. The 12-inch raw. There she is. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now rolling with this baby. Rolling, I don't know, what would you be rolling? I don't know, okay. Rolling with this baby is gonna be tricky, okay? If you've never rolled a 12-inch raw before, you're gonna wanna Google the credit card method. And it's not the one where you send me your security code, and expiry date. It's not that one. It's a genuine method of rolling a 12-inch raw called the credit card method or card method. I'm pretty sure that's a real thing. If you don't find a result, it's where you use the card to help tuck along the way. The first time I rolled one of these bad boys, took two of us, me and a friend, one at the start, one at the end. It was very difficult, okay? But I cannot go into any more detail about rolling a 12-inch raw because I don't want to get demonetized, okay? Hopefully I don't, because all I've done is shown you some really nice arts and craft. This is just paper, sticking paper to paper. This is not illegal. No drugs were consumed. No laws were broken. If I was to measure this against my standard 12-inch measuring stick, this is probably 14-inch raw, to be honest. That's just more fun for the boys, yeah? So thank you for watching. Okay? Thank you for watching. If you need help, watch the previous video. If you don't, then watch the rolling videos. The more rolling videos you watch, the more likely it is that you'll need self-help. Then you can watch my other videos, okay? Boom, I've got it all figured out, okay? Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. But